You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, we're going to be taking the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for a test drive. We're going to be doing a camera test on this bad boy, see what the camera looks like, see what it looks like when obviously you're, videoing with it or anything like that. But yeah, I'm literally about to pop out. I got the phone here with me. I'm going to test the front camera and the rear camera, and then I'm going to test out the zoom focal bits, as you can see there. So yeah, right, let's go. We're going to be going in the car. Gonna go pick up my new lens actually for my Sony A7C, which is what I'm recording with right now. I'm picking up a 24 to 70 mil Sigma lens, and yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. Yeah, anyways, let's get this show on the road, and let's get the Galaxy S22 Ultra set up and ready to go. So by the way, guys, I'm filming literally on auto mode on the S22 Ultra. I haven't done any settings, no manual settings or whatever, because if you have a device, a phone, you ain't got time for that. You just want to take the phone out and take pictures and videos, that's it. And yeah, we're gonna start recording now. I'm gonna record in wide angle mode actually. Right, we're recording right now. As you can see, that's me there. Anyway, let's switch over to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and yeah, let's record the whole day from there. Right, let's switch in 3, 2, 1, boom. Here we are, guys. You got my whole full attention. Right, so I'm gonna turn this off. Here we go. I'm literally just turning off this camera because I'm done with it. But yeah, this is what we're looking like in the studio right now with the studio light. This is wide angle lens. I'm gonna change it now to, oh no, sugar, you can't. Oh yeah, you can. That's wide angle, right. So this is the normal focal length on the camera that, the camera uses, and this is what we're looking like. Yeah, this is pretty much what we're looking like. Anyway, so I got my bag, got my wallet in here. I'm gonna go pick up my keys, and yeah, we're gonna get in the car and just go. I can't wait to see how this thing performs outside. It's very sunny outside. It's a good, nice day. So yeah, let's just go. All right, so guys, look, see how sunny it looks outside. Such a nice weather. Now we're trying out a little bit of the zoom feature now. See if we can focus. There's the whip. You guys know what car I drive in it, so I don't even need to explain. That's wide angle right there. And that's the light. This is inside my kitchen. That's the light we're getting from the outside to the inside the kitchen. Well, hopefully this looks good, because the camera on this phone really is not really, I'm not sure about the 108 megapixel lens, I'm not gonna lie to you, but hopefully it looks good. Right, I had to put my do-rag on because obviously gotta put the do-rag on, so I'm gonna quickly grab my keys, got the wallet like I said, and yeah, let's see how it does in low lighting. Obviously I got my car key there, and grab it. Was it like focus? Yeah, it's got a nice focus, even in low light. That's good. That's cool. All right, let's get out of here. Some neighbors going out. All right, this is 2x zoom. Wide angle is so sick, bro. Alright, let's go. What are we looking at? Huh? Nothing. Alright, boys. This is what we look like wide angle. Hey. Oh, wow. I like the fact there's a lot of details in the clouds. I'm picking up a lot of details in the camera that my eyes can't even pick up. Well, yeah, don't mind the bird poo on the car. Filthy as hell, but you know how it is. We move. I'm gonna see what the quality is like inside of the car as well. Oh my god, it's hot in here. But you know what, guys? Oh, copyright music, we don't want that. Oh, yeah. It does that. that cold start. Not really much of a cold start, but look how dirty the car is. The blue is so good, man. The color just comes out really nicely. Look at that. Look at the focus and that. That's banging, mate. That's a nice shot there, actually, guys, bang it. I'm gonna film wide angle all day, and just a little bit there and there, then I'll do just a normal focal length. But as it stands, we're doing wide angle. So yeah, let's hit it. Let's hit the road. Look at the clouds. How much details. Blimey, that's mad. I'm gonna test out the front-facing camera for a little bit here, just to see what we're looking like. I mean, if you want to get some exterior, if you want to get like some head-tucking shots in the car and stuff, I think this is great, man. Just hook it up on a suction cup on your mirror, on your wing mirror, and that's it. Mate, the camera is so good. Look at me all hating on the what's going on? Look at me all hating on the S22 Ultra camera, the 108 megapixel camera, and here it is just outstandingly shining like a little princess, mate. But like I said to you guys, this camera only shines when you're outside, when it's summer, nice, the day is nice, the weather is good, it's nice and bright outside. This is where this camera shines, and that's why I think. But indoors, low lighting, it really does not shine at all. But yeah, this is what you're expecting with the front camera. I think it looks amazing, to be honest with you. And also you can still see outside as well. You can even have it there. You can still see outside. That's awesome. I think the thing about this camera is really amazing. It tries to capture as much details as possible. Because I don't know if you guys noticed in my last video actually on my car when I used my Sony A7C. It did a good job focusing on me and making me look good. But you couldn't see anything outside. It was just white because of the sun. But this camera, there's a good adjustment of keeping it nice and balanced, you know, balanced with me and also outside in the sunshine. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. But yeah, that's what the front camera is saying. Let's have a look outside with the front camera. Looking good. Oh, right, back on me. Yeah, I'm sweating like a hyena. You know what a hyena is? Hyena. Obviously, the sun's out, so that means the guns are out. You get me? The sun's out, so that means the guns are out. People must think, what the hell is this guy doing? But you know what? Doesn't matter. Look at that. That's right. Alright. Obviously, man's looking fly, you get me? Shoot. Man could even take a nice little photo right now. Yeah. This is how man's looking in the gym, you know? Man's flying, yeah? Man's impressing all the girls them there, you get me? Stoked. Shit. Anyways. My guy. Do you guys hear that? That's a flipping Ford ST with pops and bang maps and that. But anyway, man's looking good, bruv. Cheers. Right, I'm gonna continue on my way. I feel so much better now, actually. I feel much better. Anyways, alright, let's go. Let's do a little, just a little pull in the S3. Right, let that turbo build. God damn! 101 miles an hour there, bro. This car is rapid, bro. How I was able to do that and film, bro, that was mad. That was a bit sketchy. Guys, 2 hands on the steering wheel when you're doing stunts like this, bro. Can I just say, the wide angle is so freaking good on this, man. It's so good. It's ridiculous. That is so nice. God damn. Alright, we've acquired the Shizzle, the Sigma 30. I mean, the Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 is going to be a beast. Right, let's go. Right, next up is my sister's house. Go there, talking a bit of a blem, then I'll get back home because I got loads to do. Right, I'm so surprised how big the box is actually for this freaking lens. It's crazy. What's the camera saying? It's good. I think it's good. Anyway, let's go. Right, so we've come to some shop called, come to look at some sofas and stuff, but I'm shy. That's why I'm pretending I'm going to the car. Oh my god. Oh. Right, I'm not even going to film in the store. I'm going to do just film here and just show you guys, I don't know what it looks like in the shop, I guess. But yeah, I feel so embarrassed, man. Literally, I feel so shy, bro. But anyways, let's go. Filming in there.
Hi guys.
Right.
Are you filming it?
Oh my god. Alright, I'm just getting like a tiny little bit of footage in here, that's all. As you see, I've come into the right place because there's loads of colours and stuff here. So you can see what it looks like with other colours. As you can see, got loads of colours. Loads of colours. We're testing the... Wait. Oh, look upstairs. We've got people eating. I'll come in here, so let's go down this way. Testing out the colours. I'm shooting wide so you can see everything. Gonna check also how the stabilization is as well. Obviously I'm walking, it's not the steadiest of all. We'll see what the stabilization says. Oh my god, look at this, some sunflowers. God damn, look at that. Let's try some macro shot here. What we seeing? Hey, look at that. God damn. Beautiful. Look at this. What the hell is this? This is real, bruv. Feels soft. Look at that. Can you get a focus? Macro. Hey, oh my god. That's nice. Girl, look at the bow. Right. Front facing camera. This is what we're looking like. Background is quite blurred a little bit, not gonna lie. Right guys, I'm gonna finish the video off here with the front facing camera. I'm back in the studio right now, and yeah, I just came back. Obviously you guys know I picked up my new lens for my Sony A7C, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video on that literally right now when I sign up from this video. But yeah, that's been the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra camera, and yeah, hopefully that test was able to tell you guys and let you guys know how this camera actually performs if you're thinking of getting it for the camera or whatnot. Hopefully the video has helped you, put a few things together, just see if the phone is going to be for you and meet your camera needs and stuff like that. But yeah guys, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe. Turn on your post notifications on so you don't miss out on whenever I upload a video. And yeah, comment down below and tell me what you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.